Assalamu alaikum dear students, this is your physics class, and in today's class we are going to discuss about what is zero work, what is positive work and what is negative work. If you remember, in last lecture we have discussed what is work, and I have told you work is the product of force and displacement. That is, work is product of force and displacement. So I can write here work is defined as the product of force and displacement. That is, work is equals to Fs, product of force and displacement. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss what is positive work, what is negative work, and what is zero work. So we are going to discuss what is positive work, what is negative work, and what is zero work. Let us start from what is zero work. As we know that work is product of force and displacement. If displacement is zero, then we can say work done will be zero. That is, F multiplied by 0. It will become like 0. So, if you are applying force on an object but you are not able to displace the object, then work done is 0. Let me cite one example here. Let us assume that here is a wall, a big wall, and on this wall a person is applying force by pushing this wall. So he is applying force of F, and he tries to move this wall in the forward direction, but he is not able to produce any displacement on this wall. So what is displacement here? It is 0. What is work done? It will become like this: W equals to F multiplied by 0. It will become 0. So when displacement produced is 0, the work done is 0. That is, although you are applying a greater force, but if you are not able to displace the object, then work done by you is 0. That is, if you are applying a greater force, if a person is applying a greater force on a wall, but the wall doesn't move at all, the displacement produced in the wall, that is 0. So has he done any work? No, he has done 0 work. Why so? Because displacement produced by him in the wall is 0. So work done will be 0. So if displacement is 0, I can write work done is 0. If displacement is 0, the work done will be 0. Let us see another case in which the work done will be 0. Again, I will write here W is equal to Fs. Let us assume that there is no force. You are not applying any force. Neither you are displacing the object. Both are missing. The force is missing, displacement is missing. You are not applying any force. Even you are not producing any displacement in the object. So F is 0, S is 0. What will be work done? Work done will be 0. Why so? Because you have not applied any force, even you have not displaced the object. Both are missing. We already know for work to be done, we require two things. One is force, Another is displacement. If you are not applying any force, even you are not displacing the object, both are missing, then again work done will be 0. So if I can write here, if displacement is 0, the work done will be 0. If displacement is 0, the work done will be 0. Case second, if both force and displacement is 0, again the work done is 0. Work done will be 0. So if displacement is 0, work done is 0. If both force and displacement is 0, again work done will be 0. Let us see now what is positive work. Positive work. On the basis of direction of force and displacement, I am going to explain what is positive work. As we know that work is product of force and displacement. It is a product of force and displacement. It depends upon force, it depends upon displacement. On the basis of direction of force and displacement, I am going to explain what is positive work. See, if force and displacement are acting in the same direction, then work done is said to be positive work. Positive work. So, if force and displacement are acting in the same direction, the work done will be positive work. Let me cite one example here. If here is a box and a force of F is applied on it in this direction, right direction, and even if the box is displaced in the same direction, it gets displaced in the same direction, in the direction of force. Both are acting in the same direction, that is towards right. The work done here will be positive work. Positive. So what is positive work? If force and displacement are acting in the same direction, they are acting in the same direction, then work done will be positive. So I have cited one example here. Here is a box. If let us assume that you are applying a force of F in the right direction, and even the box is moving in the same direction. So both are acting in the same direction. The work done calculated here will be positive work. So how we are going to calculate positive work? Let us take this box. Let us assume that a force of F acts on it, a 10 Newton of force is acting on it, and it gets displaced by a distance of 2 meters. So force is 10 Newton, displacement produced in this box, that is 2 meters. It gets displaced by a distance of 2 meters. So how I am going to calculate work done here? I am going to use formula, that is Fs. This formula is going to be used when force and displacement both are acting in the same direction. So how I am going to calculate work done here? It is like this. W equals to, what is force? 10. What is displacement? That is 2 meters. It will become 20 joules. So what is this 20? It is positive work. So if force and displacement are acting in the same direction, then work done is said to be positive work. So how we are going to calculate this? W is equal to Fs. W is equal to what? How much force I am applying here? A force of 10 Newton. How much displacement is produced in the object, that is 2 meter. So what is work done? It will be W is equal to Fs. W is equal to 10 multiplied by 2, that is 20 joules. And what is this 20? It is positive work. Let us discuss now what is negative work. Before discussing negative work, let me cite one example here for positive work. Let us assume that here is a box and it comes down under the influence of gravity. Here is ground. It is coming down under the influence of gravity. That is, it is under free fall. What do we understand by free fall? That is, when object is coming down under the influence of gravity alone, there is only one force acting on it, that is force of gravity. So, what is the direction of force? It is downward direction. In the downward direction, that is force of gravity. While this object is getting displaced in the downward direction. So force is acting in the downward direction, even though displacement is acting in the downward direction. So what will be the work done here? It will be positive. Why so? Because both force and displacement both are acting in the downward direction, in the same direction. So I can write here work done by gravity when object is under free fall. When object is under free fall is regarded as positive work. So work done by gravity when object is on free fall is taken as positive work. Why so? Because force is acting in the downward direction, even the displacement is acting in the downward direction, so both are acting in the same direction, so work done can be taken as positive. Let us see now what is negative work. What is negative work? How work done will be negative work. In a similar way, I am going to explain negative work on the basis of direction of force and displacement. On the basis of direction of force and displacement. If force and displacement are acting in an opposite direction, then work done is taken as negative. That is, force and displacement are going to act in the opposite direction. That is, if force is acting in the right direction, the displacement will be acting in the left direction. So, if force and displacement are acting in an opposite direction, the work done is taken as negative work. The formula will be same, that is Fs. But what we are going to put here, negative sign. So what is negative work? If force and displacement are acting in an opposite direction, then work done is taken as negative work. Let me cite one example here. Force of friction. Force of friction. What is frictional force? What is friction? It is an opposing force that opposes the motion of an object. Force of friction is defined as the opposing force which opposes the motion of an object. It always opposes the motion of an object. So work done by friction is taken as negative work. Negative work. Why so? Because friction will always oppose the motion of an object. If object is moving in the forward direction, that is displacement is produced in this direction, right direction, but the force of friction will always act in an opposite direction. So work done by friction will be taken as negative work. Will be taken as negative work. Let me cite one more example here. if a person is throwing an object in the upward direction, so y displacement is produced in the upward direction, and on this object what force is acting? That is force of gravity, and force of gravity always acts in the downward direction. So force is acting in the downward direction, while as displacement produced in the object is in upwards. So what will be the work done here? Work done by gravity will be negative. Why so? Because in this condition, the force of gravity is acting in the downward direction while the object is getting displaced in the upward direction. So I can say here, work done by gravity when object is thrown upwards, is taken as negative. So what is negative work? If force and displacement are acting in an opposite direction, so force of the work done by friction is always taken as negative. Why so? Because friction always opposes the motion of an object. Even if you are throwing an object in the upward direction, so displacement produces in upward direction, but the force of gravity on it, that is in the downward direction. So force of gravity is in the downward direction. So what will be the work done by this gravity? It will be negative. Why so? Because displacement is producing in the upward direction, while as the force of gravity is acting in the downward direction. So work done will be negative. So how we are going to calculate negative work? Again, we are going to use same formula, that is work equals to Fs. But what we are going to put here, negative sign. What negative sign indicates? It indicates that work done is negative. Work done is negative. Work done is negative. That is, force and displacement are acting in the different direction, or I may say in the opposite direction. Let us do one numerical here. Let us assume that a certain force of F is acting on this box, and it gets displaced through a distance of 10 meter. Let us assume that a force of 5 Newton acts on it. So how we are going to calculate work done here? It will be like this, W equals to Fs. So what is force? 5 Newton. What is the displacement produced in this object? That is 5 meter. So what will be the work done? It will be 25 joules. So by using this formula, we are going to calculate work done both in case of positive work and in case of negative work. You must remember, this formula is only used when we are going to calculate positive work and negative work, and when force and displacement are acting in the same direction or they are acting in an opposite direction, then this formula is going to be used. Sometimes maybe we are applying a force at some angle, then this formula is not going to be used here. We are going to be used some another formula which we are going to discuss in next lecture. So what we have learned today, that is what is zero work, what is positive work, and what is negative work. In next lecture, we are going to discuss same thing, that is positive work, negative work, and zero work, but on the basis of angle between force and displacement. So I hope you have understood today's topic. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.